at the Hydrogen Technology Expo in Hamburg. I'm Naomi from Hydrogen Standard, and we're speaking with Fike. We've got Jan-Bart from Fike at his stand. So do you want to start by telling us a little bit about Fike, your company, and your objectives from being at the Expo?
Thank you very much. Fike is a global company specialized to help our customers understand the risks that they have within their processes and then solve the dangers or the catastrophic events that can result out of explosions, overpressure events, and fires within their facilities.
Lovely. And why is the hydrogen market specifically important to your business?
The hydrogen market really fits within what we provide to our customers. Hydrogen brings specific dangers within its usage, storage, transport, and production. And Fike helps our customers really understand what those risks are, the mitigation systems that they have to put in place, and then helps them by providing the right solutions to do that.
Lovely. So can you tell me a little bit more about some of the important hazards, risks, and mitigation that kind of come into hydrogen in industrial processes?
Absolutely. Well, hydrogen as a molecule is extremely flammable. So that's where the main risks originate, whether it's through leakage, overpressure, or whatever. And really by understanding which parts of the process are at risk, we can really sit together with the customer and design the perfect way to protect against those hazards. So we will provide fire detection methods, we will provide overpressure protection solutions through the use of rupture discs, and explosion protection systems through the use of explosion vent panels that customers can then integrate into their systems.
What would be a typical process for one of your customers to identify, assess, and mitigate those risks that you've described?
Assuming it's an industrial plant that uses hydrogen, whether it's in storage, whether it's as part of their production process, we will typically first of all do a process hazard assessment. The Fike consultant will go to the customer, walk the plant, understand how the process works, and then really together with the customer define which areas at risk and which risk levels are unacceptable and need to be dealt with. That results in a report that can then be used as the basis of safety moving forward within that situation.
And looking at the overpressure problems specifically that you've mentioned, what sort of products and solutions does your business have to offer your customers?
Fike is specialized in the production and usage of rupture discs. We're an 80-year-old company. We started with rupture discs, so it's the backbone of what we do as a company. And we design rupture discs for all kinds of applications in all sizes with a very wide range of materials and bursting pressure. And the idea of the rupture disc is that it is a weak point in the process. A rupture disc is designed to open at a preset pressure, which is lower than the design strength of the vessel that it is typically protecting. And when it opens, it will relieve the excess pressure to a safe location, to another part of the production plant or to the atmosphere, keeping the pressure within the production process lower than that design pressure.
That's great. And are there any other technologies or solutions that you'd like to highlight?
Sticking with the rupture discs are often also used in combination with pressure relief valves. The big advantage of a pressure relief valve compared to a rupture disc is that it's reclosable in nature. The downside is that it requires a lot of maintenance. It's often a very costly component within a process. By combining a rupture disc with a pressure relief valve, it allows it to be separated physically from the process, meaning that it can be built using cheaper materials such as carbon steel or lower grades of stainless steel. And it can also be tested in place on the process itself by pressurizing the chamber between the rupture disc and the pressure relief valve.
And what about the other products that you offer?
Another important product line for us in the hydrogen applications are the explosion protection products. If the hydrogen concentration exceeds the lower explosion limit and a spark or anything else happens in the process, an explosion can result. Same as in pressure relief, we provide systems that will keep the pressure inside of the process lower than the design strength of the process by relieving the explosion flame, the explosion pressure, to a safe part of the installation. What we typically use in that case are explosion vent panels, and we will size those, we will design those based on the process that we are trying to protect.
That's great. Thank you so much, Jan-Bart. It was a pleasure speaking with you.